Hey guys, Todd with Kudas Industries here, going over a little project today at my house in the garage about a outdoor kitchen blender I thought was dead, but after some troubleshooting found out it was a pretty simple problem. So I'll take you through what I did. So here's the outdoor blender. It's by Kitchen Center. There's the model on it, and it's meant to go into a countertop. This one's mounted outside. It has a weatherproof door on it, so it slides back and forth to keep the weather out, and the mixer goes in here. And when I got it, the power button was totally dead. So I unplugged it, took it inside, took it all apart, and pulled off the circuit board. And I found on the internal circuit board, where the two power wires are coming in right here, there used to be a fuse right here. And that fuse was blown. It's a 10 amp little guy. There it is there. And it used to get soldered in there. But instead of soldering in a new one, what I did was I got one of these external fuse holders. And this holds a mini fuse, just like that, so you don't have to solder it in. So all I did was I unsoldered the old fuse back here, unsoldered those two connections, made the holes in the circuit board a little bit bigger with a Dremel tool, just like that, just a little burr, so I could pass the wires through. So I passed the wires through, and then resoldered them on the back side. Okay, so here we are again. There's the main circuit board. Here's the secondary board. I put everything back together. I got my external fuse holder soldered in. I got a 10 amp mini fuse in there. So I'm going to give it a spin. So I got red power light on. It's good. Turn it on. Hold it here. Okay, good sign, screen comes on. Bump it up. Everything seems to work. Okay, we got the board back in its spot on the mounting plate. Rubber gaskets in place. So when I took this apart, there was actually a little bit of varnish on the threads of the screw to keep the nuts locked down. I'm not going to varnish it. I'm going to use blue Loctite. Right? I have a Loctite stick here, 248. It's going to put a little bit of Loctite on the threads instead of using the varnish, and this will keep those nuts in place. Get this last one here. You could also use a liquid. I like the sticks because they're just nicer to handle. And that's it. Okay, we got everything back together. Got my 3 nuts on with the washers, and the little clip on this side holds everything together. So I'll slip it back together and then show you the final project. Okay, so I got the base unit installed back in the countertop. I got the blender attachment in there. I'm gonna try it out. I got power. I hit 1 and it just hums. So I looked into a little bit more, and this would explain why the fuse blew earlier on this board. Is that the blender, the mechanism inside is actually, the bearings are shot. So it's not able to turn, so it actually shorted out the motor. So what I did, I ordered a new blending mechanism. I'm going to put that in and then we'll try it out. So I took out the old blending mechanism and it is bearing shot. It won't move at all. So I got the new mechanism in there. Give it a shot. Nice and smooth. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks again.